Hi, Jen.
Okay, so we're in 0612.
Yes.
Lion King Suite. So we're gonna do a really fast room tour because we're tired and we have to shower and get ready for dinner. So you walk in and you've got table and chairs and the pull down bed, which we will show you later.
Well, if you
with
scoot over.
nightstands on either side.
Scoot over a little bit so I can show some of this stuff. Hold on. So yes, here's the table and chairs. And it does pull down into another bed.
Yes.
Which we'll be utilizing.
Yes. And then you've got your first full bathroom. This is really cute.
So this suite has 2 bathrooms.
Yes.
So this is a smaller one just because it's meant for kids.
Yes.
So it's got the bathtub shower.
Mirror to check your fit. The toilet.
What's the shower like? The shower head?
Oh, it's
The normal, regular? Or
yeah,
is it?
it's rain. It's rain.
Is it rainfall?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay.
You're gonna have to pull it out a little bit.
Yeah.
All right. And then we've got the family room area. With a mini kitchen. I think this is a full fridge. Well, your
It's
little
bigger.
fridge. Yeah.
It's bigger than some of the others. That's just under the sink.
Yeah, but it's nice. It comes with paper towels. You got your coffee maker with all of the things.
There's a microwave.
Microwave. You've got paper plates
Utensils.
and utensils. Yeah, that's really nice. But also these are the full like
Well, so the
yeah.
bags for the Cuisinart.
Yeah. So yeah, this is cute. You've got full set of drawers. Plenty of space for your things, TV.
Yeah, there's Josh, future CEO.
So is this? So I wonder where the extra pillow and blanket
Right above you.
you.
Oh.
For
Yeah, I wonder where the extra pillow blanket is. Yeah, it's right there. So let's just see what our view is.
oh yeah, let's see our view.
Parking lot, not much.
No,
That's okay.
nothing special. But that's okay. This room is literally to shower and sleep in.
Yeah, so this is a sofa sleeper. So you've got one bed here, and then you've got another bed that comes down from here.
Yes.
So the reason we got this is so that Allie and Gia could actually sleep out here and share that bathroom that we just showed you.
Yes.
And then we have the main bedroom here.
Which is nice. Queen bed, 2 nightstands, another chest of drawers. These are really, I mean, this is a substantial amount of room
Yeah,
if you want to unpack.
nice big TV.
Nice big TV. Extra pillow and blanket for that bed. And you've got the ironing board, iron safe, luggage rack, extra hangers. And then you've got another full bathroom, and this is really nice. So, yeah.
Yeah, so this bathroom's bigger. You've got one sink, but it is a good size.
Yeah, this has a lot of space. A lot of hooks for your towels. I appreciate that. The non-H2O products. If you want to look at those, we
Wink,
all know they're
wink, wink.
H2O products. Yeah, wink, wink.
So the other side has a bathtub that's a shower, but this is a stand-up shower.
Yeah.
And the suites are designed the same, just with the different themes. Where when we were here a decade ago, we were in the Nemo building.
Yes.
And it was designed basically the same way. So, yeah.
Okay, so I hope you liked our really quick room tour, but we've been up and out since 4 o'clock this morning, and it is almost 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and we need to shower and change our clothes and freshen up, and even get our luggage delivered to the room before 6:30, because that's when we have our dinner reservation.
Yeah. So as rooms go, you've got
I like it.
Well, you've got the 1970s green color as a theme throughout, but it is Lion King, so I guess really, you're in the jungle. So you're in the jungle, baby. Yeah, it's not bad. Oh, and then the floor, the tile.
It's like rocks.
It's like little pebble rocks. Yeah. So
Okay,
overall, you
so-
think it's okay?
I do. too. I think
Yeah.
I think it's going to be fine. This is a real park heavy trip for us. So like I said, we really only need the room to shower and sleep.
Look, and we get to sleep with a bird over our head. I hope he doesn't poop on us while we're
Exactly.
sleeping. I know, I hope he doesn't poop on us while we're sleeping.
Okay, you're going to pull down the bed.
So, I'm going to show you really quick the bed. So, I mean, you have to pull the chairs out in order to do this. And the chairs look like they might be heavy, but they're really not. So you got to get the chairs out of the way. I think here and here is fine. And then you got the handles. Just pull it right down. Bada bing.
Okay.
Bada boom. And there is Slumber of Simba. Is that what you would call that?
Simba's slumber.
The Slumber of Simba. Oh, and then there's, of course, I put chairs here so you can't get to it. But there is a control here for the lights.
Oh, really?
Is that
Oh,
what
look at
it's
that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. And then, oh, I'm stuck. Ugh. And then to put it up, you just lift it straight up. It's not very heavy at all.
Well, that's good to know.
And your table is back.
Nice.
Oh, jeez. Just try not to trip and hurt yourself because that would put a damper on the vacation. And you've got the little nightstands on either side. So pretty cool. Not
Okay.
bad.
Cool.
So when you're snoring tonight, I'm gonna come out here and sleep on this thing.
You mean when you're snoring?
So and there's your tour of the room.
forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of the next Jen and Joe on the go action because we just got to Disney and there's a lot more to show you.
And hopefully we don't have a bird pooping on our head.
Hopefully not.
Hopefully not. You good?
Yes.
Okay. Bye.